What do I do with my meat?
I'll show you what to do with your meat right now. Good steak, day 7. First off, for the tenderloin, I'm using tenderloin because it's in the name. It's tender. You can use New York strip, ribeye, any nice cut of steak. And over, Michael. Put it between some parchment paper. Unlike the plastic wrap that I have here, it's a little more complicated. And then just go ahead and pound it out. I'm gonna let you finish that joke. Pound your meat. Then I pop it into the freezer. The reason why I do that is to keep it cold. You can also just freeze it overnight if you like, and then pull it out a few minutes before serving to thaw. While that's in the freezer, I blend up some ice. You don't have to blend it. Put that on the plate and then another plate on top so it can serve it cold. Okay, this is all about garnishing. To start off, castelvetrano olives. And then for this, I'm gonna be using fancy olive oil, some chopped up toasted pistachio, then topped off with some pickled red onions from the last videos, chili threads, shaved horseradish. If you don't have access to this right here, this is also totally fine. This stuff is really good fresh, by the way. Then some shaved lemon zest, squeeze of lemon juice, freshly cracked black pepper, then some Matt flaky salt right here. And there we go. There's our beef carpaccio. Looking delicious. Good steak.
Never had this before.
Raw meat in your mouth.
It's good.
It's tasty, huh?
I'd eat this again. Where would you find this? Like if you went to a restaurant?
Probably on the appetizer menu.
Like what kind of restaurant would you say?
I don't know. I guess like a regular New American. We used to sell a shitload of these. I don't remember what we put on top of ours.
What else could you put on top?
This is good though. You can really put anything. I would say a fat, an acid, and a salt. That's basic, right? And then I add the nut for the crunch. You're good to go.
Nice. Easy to make too.
Yeah, and then you can find the videos on how to make these pickled onions somewhere on the channel. Yeah.